All right, folks. So this is regarding this tweet which I have just done yesterday or so. Someone called me today, and as usual, these Ola folks do not wish to disclose their names. This person claimed that he has already spoken with me earlier. When regarding number plate, they have always been avoided speaking with me. Once or twice, I have personally discussed with them, but they don't bother doing anything other than telling that they will come back to me on that. My number plate is completely gone since since December last year. And shamelessly, I'm actually riding my vehicle with a broken number plate, which is illegal as per RTO norms. Now, these guys want me to first, this person simply told me that book the number plate online or something. When I told that Ola has broken the number plate after I got the vehicle back with removed, basically with missing number plate guard, which I had installed just 1 week back before giving to service center in January 2023. It's been 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years. I haven't been reimbursed for the missing number plate guard, which they had essentially stolen in their service center while delivering the vehicle to me. And most probably, it was not really stolen, but actually broken with the number plate. Number plate obviously got warped and torn from one end. It does not get broken as such so easily. So it was torn and delivered to me with loose rivets, etc. And since and it was actually obviously delivered after more than 1.5 months after I met with second accident. First accident was caused due to Ola's thing of this number plate only. For 3.5 months, they did not deliver the vehicle which I purchased because they wanted to get this number plate fit after getting the RTO registration done. And for that, they wanted address proof other than the GST number, which I had already given to them. GST number is enough document to get the registration done, and which is precisely what they used to eventually get the registration done after 3.5 months of me waiting. They delivered the vehicle in damaged and defective condition, and now they are telling that I need to file an FIR. I asked whether I need to file an FIR against them for breaking the number plate. What would be the FIR for? That Ola broke my number plate. Basically, a number plate needs to be replaced. So accordingly, an online thing needs to be done, and Ola needs to obviously reimburse the cost of replacement. But I am unable to find any option in any of the online vendors to replace an Ola's number plate. And this is what this person was telling before disconnecting the call. Abruptly disconnected the call. And obviously, if it would have been a technical glitch because of which the call got disconnected, he should have called me back, but he never called me back. So that means he intentionally disconnected the call. When I was asking for what he's asking me to file an FIR and whether he is aware of the situation. I had number plate guard installed on the vehicle because this vehicle has this uh, design defect where the rear number plate gets broken from all the vehicles. All the S1 Pro Gen 1 or I think later generations also what I know. All the vehicles have got number plates completely removed. I am the probably only person which has got the number plate partially intact. Otherwise, all of them have got the number plate gone in the past 3 years because there is no protection. offered by Ola, and the number plate is exposed from both the sides. So it is only connected, basically installed using two rivets on the rear mudguard, the plastic mudguard, and they become loose. Those rivets become loose because that mudguard hole becomes loose, becomes bigger. So because of which the number plate starts shaking, and they automatically start breaking apart, even if someone don't mess with it, like Ola's service team. So if you can see from the screenshots, there is absolutely no way to apply for Ola's number plate online. And they want me to file an FIR. I don't know for which I need to file. Of course, I need to file an FIR against Ola for not getting the service issues resolved since past 3.5 years. First, for 3.5 months, they delayed the delivery, because of which I have got a broken right hand. And essentially, I've got lifelong disability of my fingers on my right hand. I'm not able to make a fist out of my right hand since past more than 3 years now. Since May 2022, I've got this accident, and this accident was caused because the vehicle was not delivered to me despite being purchased on 17th of March 2022. It was supposed to be delivered in April, mid of April, but they never delivered to me in the name of address proof. They wanted me to get another address proof when it was the office address, and we had already submitted GST, and we had given them lease agreement also, but they were not agreeing for a notarized lease agreement. No one does a registered lease agreement, for a inexpensive office or something, because it's obviously expensive. People do notarized agreements only in Delhi NCR. So that is the situation. Let me know what should I do, whether I should go legal, or I should continue to bang my head chasing Ola. It's been 7 months now. I have a completely invalid number plate. Earlier it was broken, but it was still in an intact, complete condition, except for obviously getting gradually torn from one side. And now that that side is completely gone since December last year, I'm forced to ride with a broken number plate and no way to get a replacement. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.